Okay, North American, we're out here in Maine. I think it was in March. We installed this lift on the left for our customer. And today, we just installed this lift on the right. This is our Universalift 8000 FP. Caster kit, comes with 3 drip trays, jack tray, and the steel ramps, 110 volt, 3 horsepower motor. And this customer ordered some extra drip trays. So with a scenario like the one you see here, the garage is just wide enough for 2 if we stagger the posts slightly. So as you can see, we have the posts staggered inward, overlap, and we easily put this product together right where you see it. Considering an auto lift, consider North American. Contact Chris